Welcome to the RECON Trader. Today's video will be a step-by-step guide on how we can fully automate TradingView strategies via alerts when trading over on the Bitget exchange and using their Futures Signal BOT. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, I do want to make it crystal clear, nothing in this video is intended as investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and all of my videos are intended for educational purposes only. All right, so with that out of the way, let's dive right in, and we can start over here on the Bitget exchange. Now, actually, before we do that, if you're not familiar with Bitget, we can jump over here to CoinGecko, come over to the Exchanges tab, and click on Crypto Exchanges. And you can see Bitget is essentially number 5 when it comes to exchanges. So you have obviously Binance and Coinbase are the big dogs. Bybit is right up there with Gate, but number 5 is Bitget. And so it is a bigger and somewhat well-established exchange. Okay, now we can jump back over here to Bitget. Once you're logged into your account, you can come over to the Trade tab, scroll down to Bots, and then over here to Futures Signal BOT, give that a click. And this bot allows you to basically trade via TradingView alerts. So you will need to have some TradingView alerts set up over on TradingView, but we'll get to that in a moment. First of all, we actually have to create a signal. And if you look over here on the right-hand corner of the screen towards the top under Future Signal BOT, create signal, I need to give that a click. And it's pretty straightforward. We just need to name the signal. And for ease of use, my signal name is going to be RECON TradingView Alert or TV Alert. And this is going to be long only. Now, you might be wondering why long only. It will do short and long. I have tested it. It does both. But the strategy over on TradingView I'm using is long only. And that's why I'm just labeling this as my long only. And so the next step is step 2, and it's configure the script. Now, if we jump over here to TradingView, I have already configured my script. It's basically my indicator. It's the EMA cross using RSI 40. If we take a look at the actual settings, you can see the settings that I've configured for this strategy. And as far as the results, you can see the P&L is around 1,300%. It hasn't taken a lot of trades. The profitable trades are only 40%, but it's got a profit factor of 1.3. And that's because the ratio average win-loss or risk versus reward is almost a 2-to-1. I would prefer this to be actually 2 or higher. But for this application, this strategy will suffice. And as you can see, this is a long-only strategy. It's not opening any shorts. And as far as the buy and hold strategy, you can see buy and hold strategy is 520% versus the 1,300% that this strategy was able to capture during the same time frame. And so to finish the configuration, I need to set up an alert. And so I can click on alert. And the symbol is going to be SOL USDT. That's the contract I want to trade over on Bitget. And the condition is the actual indicator, the EMA cross RSI. The interval is going to be the same as the chart. I'm using 1-hour candles. And then as far as expiration, I'm leaving it open-ended. Next, I need to put in my message, and I need to get this message from Bitget. So I need to jump back over here, scroll down to step 3, and then so down here at the bottom, you can see the message. This message is going to take into consideration all the settings in my indicator, so I'll need to go confirm all my settings. And then I just click copy, and I'm going to paste that in here where it says message. And I'm actually going to name my alert. And now that I've named the alert, the message is in place, I need to click on to notifications. And you can see this red box. I need a webhook URL. That is basically going to send these alerts to Bitget on my behalf. As you can see, I have it checked off. And so I need to jump back over here to Bitget and grab the webhook. And the webhook, you don't want to make this public, so that's why it's blurred out. But there is a webhook that you want to copy and paste. Then we'll jump back over here to TradingView and paste that in here. So now we have our webhook, we have our message, and our settings are all set up. I can now simply click create, and that will create an alert that I can check over here on the right hand corner. And you can see my Bitget TradingView EMA RSI alert is in place. And once your alert's in place, you do want to just confirm the settings under properties that the initial capital, I'm only going to give this bot like $500. And order size, I am going to do this as 200 and not percent of equity, obviously, but of USDT. And then the last thing I'm going to check is my margin. And in this case, only for the long positions, I have set to 5x. So now I can click OK, jump back over here to Bitget. And then down at the very bottom of the screen, you can just make out it says create a signal, this little white button at the very bottom right-hand corner. Give that a click. All right, so now under signals, you can see that alert is here. It's long only. I can click on use to deploy. And now there's just a couple of steps for configuration. The trading pair I actually want to go with is going to be SOL. So I'll just pull that up on the chart. And so now you can see SOL is on the chart. So now I just need to click on add trading pair. Again, I can search for SOL, give that a click, confirm. So now I have my trading pair in place. And so you might notice the time frame over here is on the 5-second time frame. That doesn't apply to my alerts. The time frame on TradingView is what's going to apply to my alerts. So this time frame on this chart does not matter. Next, we have select starting point, and we can follow after the strategy script closes the positions. So I think I currently have an open position over on TradingView, and so it would actually wait until that position is closed before starting this actual bot. Or I can follow from the first signal, which is what I want it to do. I want it to follow from the first signal. And then the amount of margin I want to give this bot, you can see I need at least 300 USDT. I will go ahead and put 400 USDT to the bot. The margin itself, I can adjust from anywhere from 5x up to 100x if you're a complete degen, but I'm going with 5x. So confirm. Next is going to be the advanced settings, which is going to be your take profit and stop loss. I highly recommend always using a stop loss. If you don't use a stop loss, you're more than likely going to blow up your account. And in this case, because I'm using 5x leverage, I need to actually calculate what I want my stop loss to be. Normally, on this strategy, I would use 1.9%. But because there's leverage involved, that would be a very small stop loss. So if I grab my calculator, put in 1.9 essentially percent times 5, that'd be a 9.5 stop loss. And then I want essentially a 2-to-1 risk ratio, so that's going to be 19% for profit. All right, so now I have my take profit stop loss set up. I'm ready to create the bot. And so if I click create bot, you'll get a quick recap and basically an order confirmation. The bot name, leverage 5x, initial margin is 400. Investment settings is going to be via my TradingView Signal bot that I just configured. Take profit 19%, stop loss 9%. You might think those are big numbers, but remember, these are multiplied by 5 essentially. And then the trading pair is SOL USDT. So now I can click confirm. And so now the bot is live and active. You can see it's at 5x. There's no positions yet because there's not been an alert yet. And so I think that basically wraps it up. Very straightforward, very simple to set up. If you already have strategies over here in TradingView, you're probably good to go with those few steps. And so with that all in mind, I will do an update video on how this bot is actually performing. So you might want to shoot that subscribe button. If you found this video helpful in any way, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See ya.